Hello, guess who and guess what? Well, the guess who is me, Robbie Susan Chandler, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. I hold classes in my home and I would love for you to come over and attend some of my classes if you live in the area. I hold classes on Sunday, Mondays, and Thursdays. I hold a noon class and a 5 o'clock class. So let's get to the what today. Can't wait to share my card with you. So the what I'm sharing with you today is this beautiful, elegant card made with two wonderful sets of dies called Sentimental Framing and Season of Elegance DSP, and also with the Beautiful Motifs die. The frame is from the, is this die from the Sentimental Framing Dies, and the corners here are from the pull this over, Beautiful Motif Dies. This piece I used. But there's some more pieces in this set, and I'm going to share a card with you. I will be sharing a video on it in the next few days. But this is another die in the set, and then this one that cuts these leaves out is the third one in the set. So it's a really nice set of three. When you look at the die set, it looks like this, but this means it cuts this leaf area, and this one shows, this one actually is this one, and then the third one on this side is this one up here. So that's what those pictures, when you see the die set, that's what they mean. They don't cut out, but they cut them around so that they pop up. Okay, let's look at this card. Look at the pieces. Oh, I didn't show you the inside, and when you open up, you also have a little framing around it. And I just put birthday wishes in it, and I'll show you in a minute how to do this inside. So like I said, let's look at our pieces. Our card base is basic beige. Now when this color first came out, I just really wasn't sure I was going to use it much, but I've been using it a lot. I really like it. And this piece is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then this front piece we have on it is 4 by 5 1/4, and it comes from the pack of paper called Season of Elegance. Let me turn it over so you can see the title. Season of Elegance. And it comes in, gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 different colors, but the one we're using today is this one that they call Pretty Peacock. I've made some cards with this one, which is basic beige. Here's a cherry cobbler. And then also I'll be making some Christmas cards with the one called Mossy Meadow and Old Olive. See, it has 2 shades of green in it. So this is really, and this is a current paper, and you can get it, and it's really elegant and makes really pretty Christmas cards. So that's that piece, and then I showed you the frame cut from gold foil with the sentimental framing and this die, and then we have this piece, which I'm calling Queen Anne's Lace. And it's actually from the Beautiful Motifs die. It's this one right here, this die. And then the 2 leaves that I put on it, these 2 leaves, are from Gallery Bloom, and it's this die. And what I like about this die is these actually, you can bend these up, just like that. And they kind of, you know, stand up on your card more. I like that little feature of those. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with the inside. Let me move this piece. Oh, and I wanted to show you what I did. I just laid my die on these corners and cut these out, and these just pop up like this. And then I put it down here and cut it on the bottom corner. Let me get this out of the way. Like this. So I've got my 2 corners here, and it works better if you go ahead and cut this 4 by 5 1/4. It's a little bit bigger than the one I put on this one, and my frame, I had to cut the corners off to make it fit. So if you cut it by 4 by 5 1/4, the frame will fit in there without you having to do any trimming, without having to trim any of these parts. Okay, let me put this out of the way. Alright, now the inside, what I did to the inside, I mask off, like my card opens like this, I mask off the inside, that side, and I used this stamp from Beautiful Motifs, And I've got it on my block here. And I used Pretty Peacock ink. I inked it up and stamped off, and then just started stamping along the edge. And I got that a lighter design. If you don't stamp off, you get a pretty dark design. So I just went on around, all the way around, and ended up with this design. I'm not going to stand here and stamp all the way around for you, so I just wanted you to see how I did that. And then I stamped my birthday wishes in Pretty Peacock. So that's the inside. Now let's get back to the front. So here are my pieces on the front. Now I took my frame and I put dimensionals, the mini ones, all the way around. Take your backing off and you're going to slip it up under these corners, one here and one there. And when you do, this one back and it came off, it just sticks down perfectly, just like that. Isn't that pretty? So here's one I've already taken the backings off because it takes a minute or two to get all this off. Stuck that down and then just adhere it to your card front. And here we go. Now let's put our leaves down. And I just put a little, like I said, I wanted to bend these up some so they kind of pop out. There we go. So just put a little glue on the base. Just stick it over on one on the left side, and I wanted it to go outside my frame a little bit. And put a little bit of glue on the base of the other one, and let it go outside the other side. Now the Quin's lace piece, as you see, is a little bit long. So what I did, I cut it right here above this leaf, like that, and put a little bit of glue, just a touch, on here, and stuck it right down there in the middle. And I thought, why throw away this piece we've got left when we could add a little filler? So I put a little glue on it and just stuck it right there on top of it to put some more fill in there like that. There we go. So there's our card. Wasn't that quick, easy? Such an elegant card. And if you use some of the other colors in this pack of paper, like the basic beige, it makes a beautiful wedding or anniversary card. So I hope you like this card, and we'll give it a shot, try to make it. I have links to all the supplies I use down below. Also, there's a free tutorial for you to download, and also there's a link to my blog about this card. So please like my video, subscribe, and share. And if you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. And if you'd love to be on a team, I'd love to be your team leader. So until next time, happy crafting.